Hey, what's going on, Fat Man Army? All right, welcome back to another Pokemon opening. So let's just quickly recap what we got last time. So we got all of these for the new binder. Filling up the new binder mighty well. Just some stuff going on here. Now, I potentially have my hands on a bunch of the original booster packs from the first series. Trying to get this deal done, doing some video game trades from the collection for this, it's probably like 20 packs. Really good deal. Can't say what I'm trading it for yet, but maybe in the near future, hopefully we get that done. Got some stuff. Got the binder looking good, guys. Filling up pretty good from the set that we've opened up already. I will rearrange these because, yeah, I don't want the energies in the, energies go to the back. Looking pretty good. I also put some stuff in here that I had to hit putting away. And I'll show you guys. Let's see if we can. Oh, this is not yet. But I do have some special cards in here that I put away. And I'll show you guys those in a second once we get there. So yeah, looking pretty good so far. More energies. More energies. Oh, so obviously, I gotta put my boy Lucario in here. I have a special Pikachu. Some Mr. Rhyme. Nothing too fancy there, but my McDonald's Pokemon cards, guys. So I found my McDonald's cards all in perfect shape. So we got all the Pokemon cards, some shiny Pokemons from McDonald's. So we got the Pikachus, the Bulbasaurs, all these guys. So these are all the McDonald's cards that had came out. So not all of them. I think I'm missing a couple, but that's okay. That works out. So that's that. Let's recap what we got from the last. So recap again. We got the fancy Pidgeot, the Scizor, the Glamora, Crabman. I don't know what his name is. I just called him Crabman. The Rhydon. I know that's not his real name, but another Scizor. I just like Scizor, so I put him in there. So we got all of those so far. Tends to be the heavy hitters, and then of course the Charizard, the big banger so far. So without further ado, let's open the next, what do we say, 8 packs? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 8 packs. All right, so let's get to opening these 8 packs so we can. We got 8 more after this, and then the box is complete. And then I will get a new box and then complete that one. So there's the QR code. Hopefully somebody snags it. All right, let's see. We got a Dratini, Charmander, a Yungoos, Litwick, Altaria, Mawile. That's pretty cool. A Buffalint. Shiny Flamingo. Put over here. Shinies go to the side. A shiny Town Square. A basic yellow energy. Or lightning, whatever you want to call it. And then a hollow Darkrai. So I think we got a Darkrai in the last set too. So another Darkrai. Okay, we're gonna open up. Let's see which one we're gonna open up. Let's do another Tyranitar one. Sorry if I don't sound too alive, guys. I'm tired and it's early, so. QR code. Okay, let's get going. We'll put the energies over to the side like that, and then they Pokemon there. All right, Timple, or Typal, what do we look at? Dolive, Bonsley, Togepi, Armarouge, or Amarage, pretty cool. Amoonguss, Seismitoad, Carvana. Wait, is he shiny? He is. Okay, so he goes over to the side. A shiny Sandlit. Fighting Energy. Oh my god, these kids drive me nuts. And Thunderous. Connor Gibbs, stop! Oh, that's what you get at the Fat Man Gaming. That's why people watch us, because everything's so raw. And I don't want to be too, you know. Hey! I want everything that I do to be real. So. Hey, can you guys go over there, please? I'm telling Jesse when he gets home he took his candy. Pidgey. Fugus. Larvesta. Finizen. Crab Nimble or Crab Nimble. Weird. King Gambit. Winklage. Lechonks of all form, that's awesome. Shiny Solrock. Ooh, shiny Charmeleon. Fire Energy. Hold on, bud. And Hollow Togekiss.
Dad.
Yeah.
Dad.
What, bud?
I'm gonna cook some waffles, Dad.
I'll cook you some in a minute. Go over there and go watch TV in your room, guys, real quick.
Okay. You taught me how to do it already.
No. Okay, QR code.
Then what do you have?
Okay, Oddish.
What do you have?
Dratini.
Dad? What do you have?
I don't know, buddy. Charmander.
Okay.
Yelmgoose. Magnezone. That's pretty cool. Another Ice Grab. Mawile. Shiny Scope. What was it? Skowovit? Skowovit?
I got some.
Another Hollow Entei. Fighting Energy. And Full Art Pufflin. That's freaking sweet. Hell yeah. Put that over there with the Hollow group. Nice. I love it. So Pufflin will go into a plastic case. I don't know where they went though. Oh, they're right there. I'll do it off screen. All right. QR code, guys. Please let me know if you guys redeem those. Because I just want to know if you did or not. Because I like giving away stuff to you guys. Capsicid. Clefairy. Crawl Brawler. I like that guy. Lillipup. Flamingo. Oh look, Booger Bear's evolution. Bear Trick. Charmeleon. Ooh, shiny Exadrill. I like that. Hollow Bronzor. Psychic Energy. And another hollow Palafin. Palafin seems to be the running hollow in this game. I think I have, in this card set, I think I have more of him than anything else. Alright, next pack. Moving on. Okay. QR code. Combi. I'll help you in a second.
No.
Houndour.
No.
Toad School. Eevee. Love Eevee. Oinklage, but he looks different. Pretty cool. Salazzle. Lycanroc. The Boy Umbreon. Yeah. Love my. Oh, it's a hollow Umbreon. Gotta save that. Love Umbreon. Fan Trap. Hollow. Water Energy. And Chili Monster. Skull Villain. So, another Skull Villain. Yay. I feel like I'm getting gypped in this box. Hopefully the last 8 are better than these ones. These ones seem to be disappointing. And then I have 2 that I'm going to give away. So, QR code. And the last 2, I'm giving away to one of you guys. So I'll announce that later. So we got Cryogonal. It's pretty cool. Little icicle guy. Town Square, non-hollow. Capsicid. Clefairy. Grumpig. Trevenant. Bellabolt. Oh wait, I think he was shiny. No, he was not. He was not. No hollow. Shinies are hollow Scizor again. Hollow Cryogonal. Water Energy. And another hollow Darkrai.
Well, I'll come help in a sec.
Okay. Alright, last pack, guys. It's a Charizard pack. Let's see if we get lucky in this one.
Hi, Dad. What do you have? Milk.
Let's see. QR code. I'm not even gonna pronounce that name, but I'll go have a good. I'm just gonna call him Nard because he's a Nard. Charcadet. This guy looks freaking cool. Meltan. Melman's cool. Scyther. Love Scyther. Exodrill. Ooh, look at Pidgeotto looking all sweet. Gotta have respect for Pidgeotto. Dragonair. Is it shiny? No. Let's see. Got a hollow rhyme card. trainer card.
We go quiet, boys. We go quiet, boys.
Hollow Smoliv. Fire Energy.
Yeah.
And last but not least, the card for the pack, we have a Houndoom EX. And this card looks freaking sweet. Look at that. Look at that. That's freaking cool. Alright, sweet. So we're down with this 8. We have 8 more to go, which will be in another video. So let's recap. So we got Houndoom, Palafin, Entei, Squovit, Togekiss, Charmander. These are all hollow, by the way, guys. Solrock, Thundurus, Saladent, Carvana, Darkrai, Town Square, Flamingo, all hollow. And then the other hollows. Smoliv, Rhyme, another Darkrai, Crynagol, Scizor, Chiliman, Phantump, Umbreon, the Palafin, Bronzor, and Excadrill. All hollow. So these were the hollows from these 8 packs. Not too bad. Not too bad. So, alright guys. Let's see. So, we'll put the other 2 guys in the special cases because they deserve it. And then we'll put the rest in the binder where they'll be safe. And we'll end the video there. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to go back, scan the QR codes. Hopefully they're not taken. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.